Come on. All right. That was round 2. He's working me now. Whew. Man. He was about here. Lower than I want him, but man, now he's starting to get me. This is gonna swell up now. We're done now. Really, I'm glad I did that round. Because he came out more really fighting me, because he started to understand that up, down, pull me down, win kind of a deal before. The first in the beginning with the suit, with the tug, it was he pulled me down a few times. I set that up, but he was stealing the tug from me, stripping line from me and stuff. And in this suit, you give him, but it's not the same. It's not the same. He's not taking it and this and that. So that going on the ground is, you took the tug, you know. And of course it's not the same, because tug is not a bite suit. But I'm connecting it in his brain as to what he knew before, and he's figuring out. He figured out there that when he really does his fight, I go to my knees. He brings me to my knees. Then I fight my way back up, and he brings me to my knees, and I fight my way back up. And that's like when he's stealing that tug and ripping line out of my hands. And once again, it's not the same thing. I'm in a bite suit. This is a whole different fight. He's able to really feel me. He can feel me when he's digging in now, really digging in. When he digs in, he can feel me flinch. He can feel this. So this is a much more intimate conversation with the bite suit than with a tug, 100%. And he's gonna come out more here. Yeah, so I'm glad I did that second round. That was really nice, really nice.